Hello guys, welcome back to Sumi Kids. Today we're learning about the Pythagorean theorem, which says that a squared plus b squared equals c squared. What it tells us is that for the leg a squared plus for the leg b squared, it should equal the hypotenuse c squared. In this example, what it says is that 3 squared plus 4 squared should equal 5 squared. So let's go ahead and solve this one. 3 squared equals 9, which is 3 times 3. 4 squared equals 16, 4 times 4. 5 squared equals 25, because 5 times 5 is 25. So what it's saying is that 25 equals 25. So now that we see how the equation works, let's move on to a different problem. And remember, the Pythagorean theorem only works on right triangles. So let's go ahead and solve this problem. What we need to find is the hypotenuse, which is c squared. So this leg A is 6 and the leg B is 8. And we need to find c squared, which is hypotenuse. So let's set up the equation, which is going to be 6 squared plus 8 squared equals c squared. So 6 squared is 36, which is 6 times 6. 8 squared is 64, which is 8 times 8. And when we add it together, it should be the hypotenuse, c squared. So when we add 36 and 64, it equals 100. So the equation simplifies to 100 equals c squared. So to find the simplified version of the hypotenuse, c squared, we need to square root 100. So the square root of 100 is 10, because 10 times 10 is 100. So the hypotenuse c equals 10. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing to the channel, and have a great day.